9 Ways to use ChatGPT for your marketing strategy. Are you looking for ways to improve your marketing strategy? ChatGPT guided process technology is a powerful tool that can help you maximize your efforts and get the most out of your campaigns. In this article, we'll discuss some of the best ChatGPT hacks you need to know to maximize the effectiveness of your marketing strategy. These tips will help you take advantage of ChatGPT's features, from automating processes to providing personalized customer service. ChatGPT for your marketing strategy. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can revolutionize your marketing strategy. 1. By incorporating human-like language generation, speedy response to customer inquiries, and task automation techniques, ChatGPT has the capability to significantly improve a company's online performance, customer contentment, and operational efficiency. 2. Automation of content creation. 3. Automation of content creation is a game-changing concept that has revolutionized how businesses approach their marketing strategies. One of the most popular tools for automating content creation is ChatGPT, powered by artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Automating content creation saves time and effort and guarantees uniformity in tone and style across various forms of content. This consistency is crucial for creating a solid online brand and cultivating a dedicated following of customers who trust your brand. However, while using ChatGPT for content creation offers significant advantages, there are still several key considerations that businesses need to keep in mind. The quality of the content generated must be high and relevant to your business objectives. The tone of voice used must match your brand's personality and values. There is a risk of plagiarism, so businesses need to ensure that the content generated is original and unique. Automating content creation with ChatGPT is a complex task that can significantly benefit a business's marketing strategies. It can be helpful when companies use user-generated content from forums and social media. However, there are obstacles to watch out for too. The content generated needs to be closely monitored to ensure it aligns with your brand's objectives and voice. Increased engagement and reach. One of the biggest challenges businesses face in marketing is creating engaging content that reaches a broader audience. This is where ChatGPT comes in as a powerful tool that can significantly increase engagement and acquisition for your marketing strategy. One of the key benefits of using ChatGPT is its ability to generate personalized content for several marketing campaigns. This means you can create highly targeted content tailored to your potential customers' interests and preferences. By providing customized experiences through your marketing campaigns, you increase the likelihood of customer engagement and conversion. ChatGPT's capacity to automate content creation streamlines regular posting for businesses across various platforms, including social media, email, and other marketing campaigns. This leads to greater marketing efficiency and a broader reach among potential customers. This helps to increase reach, making your content visible to a broader audience. Businesses can successfully expand their customer base and tap into new markets by targeting potential customers across different marketing channels. In addition, ChatGPT's language models can mimic human-like text and conversations, creating relatable content that resonates with your audience. This fosters a deeper connection with potential customers, driving engagement and promoting customer loyalty. By maintaining continuous customer engagement and communication through personalized and engaging content, businesses can turn one-time customers into loyal brand advocates. ChatGPT offers a range of benefits for businesses looking to increase engagement and reach for their marketing strategies. By automating content creation and generating personalized experiences, enterprises can successfully target potential customers and expand their customer base. Moreover, companies can foster stronger customer relationships and encourage customer loyalty by promoting continuous engagement. Improved customer service and support. ChatGPT integrated into your marketing strategy can revolutionize customer service and support efforts. With ChatGPT, customers can access support 24/7 without human interaction. This means that your customers can receive assistance whenever they need it, regardless of the time of day or the location of your support team. One of the critical benefits of ChatGPT for customer service is its ability to provide quick and accurate responses to frequently asked questions. This helps to reduce the time customers spend waiting for assistance and improves their overall experience with your brand. ChatGPTs use AI-powered technology to analyze customer queries and provide relevant information that resolves their issues. Another advantage of using ChatGPT for customer service is its ability to collect valuable feedback. ChatGPTs can analyze customer interactions to gain insights into satisfaction levels, identify trends, and discover pain points. This feedback is crucial in improving your services and products to meet your customers' needs better. Incorporating ChatGPT into your marketing strategy can improve customer service and support efforts in many ways. Customers can access support 24/7 and receive quick, accurate responses to their queries, improving their overall experience with your brand. Additionally, the feedback collected through ChatGPT interactions can be used to enhance your services and products, creating a better customer experience in the long run. Personalized experiences for customers. Personalized experiences are increasingly important in marketing to improve customer loyalty and retention. Customers want to feel valued and understood by the brands they engage with, and offering personalized experiences is a way to achieve this. ChatGPT can be critical in personalizing interactions and communications with customers. ChatGPT can personalize interactions by using data to tailor recommendations and responses to individual customers. ChatGPT can generate more relevant and human-like responses that resonate with each customer by analyzing customer data and behavior patterns. This helps to improve the overall customer experience, as they feel understood and catered to. Personalized experiences are crucial in marketing to improve customer loyalty and retention. Businesses can personalize customer interactions by leveraging data and language models through ChatGPT to help them feel valued and understood. Increased conversions and revenue. ChatGPT can significantly impact your marketing strategy by increasing conversions and revenue. One of the main benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to provide personalized experiences and engaging content that enhance customer loyalty and retention. By tailoring interactions to individual customers, businesses can create a stronger emotional connection with them, increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. ChatGPT's instant and relevant answers to potential questions increase engagement and trust in your brand, thereby increasing the likelihood of conversions and revenue. ChatGPT's exceptional ability to produce high-quality and relevant content is crucial for improving revenue and conversions. Their expertise extends to all marketing efforts, including email marketing and social media content, ensuring that all content aligns with each company's marketing strategy. To leverage the benefits of ChatGPT effectively, it's essential to incorporate strategies such as relevant hashtags, follow-up questions, and monitoring customer feedback. Incorporating follow-up questions can help address customer needs and preferences, enhancing the overall customer experience. Enhance marketing strategies. Small businesses can use ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool, to enhance their marketing strategies and optimize their budgets. This advanced AI chatbot can be employed in various marketing aspects, significantly reducing the time and effort spent on mundane tasks. ChatGPT can help businesses by providing personalized recommendations to potential customers, assisting with lead generation, and improving customer engagement through targeted messaging. By automating specific marketing tasks, companies can save time and focus on more critical aspects of their operations. Furthermore, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights by analyzing data from customer interactions, enabling enterprises to make data-driven decisions regarding their marketing efforts. With its versatility and effectiveness, ChatGPT is an invaluable tool for small businesses looking to improve their marketing strategies and increase their bottom line. Email marketing. Another practical application of ChatGPT for small businesses is email marketing. With AI's aid, marketers can easily create targeted and impactful email campaigns. The technology enables customizing subject lines, creating compelling calls to action, and tailoring content to fit specific audience segments. As a result, marketers can effortlessly design personalized email campaigns that effectively reach their intended audience. In addition, ChatGPT can also help with lead generation by using data analytics to identify potential customers and target them with personalized messaging. Email marketing campaigns can be highly effective, but they can also be time-consuming and resource-intensive for small businesses without a dedicated marketing team. With the right tools and strategies, companies can streamline email marketing efforts and achieve maximum impact with minimal resources. Not only will this approach save time and money, but it can also help small businesses reach their target audience more effectively. By implementing simple practices and utilizing data analytics, companies can create email campaigns that are informative and engaging and ultimately drive more conversions. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT can significantly benefit small businesses by streamlining their marketing efforts and driving growth. Competitor analysis and monitoring. ChatGPT is an excellent tool that can help you with competitor analysis and surveillance. Small businesses can use AI to keep an eye on market trends and the strategies employed by competitors, enabling them to adapt and grow in an ever-changing landscape. With ChatGPT's versatility and ease of use, small businesses can level up their marketing game and stay competitive in their respective fields. Utilizing ChatGPT provides a powerful tool for small businesses to gain insights into competitors' tactics. To remain relevant in a constantly changing business world, companies must stay ahead of market trends and analyze their competitors' strategies. This enables them to adapt their business models, resulting in growth and, ultimately, success. Please do so to avoid falling behind the competition and even losing. Therefore, businesses must prioritize thorough market analysis for sustained growth and success. ChatGPT's user-friendly interface allows small businesses to level up their marketing game and remain competitive in their respective fields. Product descriptions. Small businesses can significantly benefit from using ChatGPT to enhance their website copy and product descriptions. By utilizing its capabilities, businesses can craft more engaging and persuasive content that resonates with their target audience. ChatGPT's advanced algorithms allow companies to improve content quality while tailoring it to meet their customers' specific needs and preferences. By utilizing ChatGPT's features, companies can create content that resonates with their target audience, leading to increased engagement and loyalty. By leveraging this powerful tool, small businesses can increase their online presence, attract more traffic to their website, and ultimately boost their sales and revenue. ChatGPT can assist small businesses in enhancing their customer service experience through the use of chatbots. These chatbots can handle common inquiries and provide quick customer responses, freeing up employees to focus on more complex issues. This not only increases efficiency but also improves customer satisfaction. ChatGPT's capabilities are valuable for small businesses looking to improve their online presence and customer service. Conclusion. ChatGPT offers a powerful solution to streamline marketing efforts and reinforce online presence. By leveraging its capabilities, businesses can efficiently conduct keyword research, develop content clusters, and craft engaging content that resonates with customers. Through the strategic use of the AI chatbot, marketers can unlock the potential of SEO and build relationships with their target audience. Capitalizing on ChatGPT can revolutionize marketing strategy and provide effective paths for business growth in the digital age.